Today, we're going to be talking about how you can implement AI to scale your business. If you currently have a bunch of customers, please book a call with our agency and we will help you scale from A to Z. If you're not using an AI voice agent, if you're not using an AI chatbot, if you're not putting frequently asked questions to update your customer when you can't be there 24/7 and you are going head over shoulder by hiring receptionists, increasing your employees, increasing your reports, and making your overall business and life a headache. So instead of being able to work in your business, you're working on your business. Well, you've come to the right place, and this video is in front of you for a reason. If you guys haven't joined our free school community, I highly recommend it. Within that community, we onboard and allow people to have a free CRM that's worth $97 a month, free of charge. And if you'd like to utilize that, you can just opt in and we'll take it from there. We'll show you how to use AI voice, AI chatbot, and you can implement it yourself if you'd like. Watch the videos that we've provided and do it yourself if you like. It's 100% free. But let's just say you wanted us to do it for you, then you can reach out, set up a call with our team and see if we would be a good fit. Why would it be a good idea for you to come to me? Well, I work for the #1 data integration company, Informatica, from the age of 22 to 28. And they were the #1 data integration company. They had AI, big data, machine learning, and I have absorbed so much since then. And since that time, OpenAI, November 22nd, 2022, has released and was the fastest downloaded app. I use ChatGPT in every single task that I have per day. Whether it's an email, a text message, I can prompt it to be my therapist, I can prompt it to be my social media expert. I can tell ChatGPT, hey, you can acquire leads through ChatGPT. Google the industry you're looking to target, copy and paste everything from that Google page, put it in ChatGPT, and tell ChatGPT, prompt it to create a Excel sheet with first name, last name, business owner, email, phone number. Now you can use that as a starting point, whether you're using a cold caller, whether you're using AI chatbot, whether you're using AI voice. My recommendation would be to organize these leads and start to tackle them one by one. The average conversion rate for 100 people that hit your website is 1 to 2%. So if 2 people sign up for every 100 customers, you are on the right track. So don't get discouraged. When you hear no the first 10 times, no is normal. Success is not easy. And if you need to build up your reputation, I recommend you offer your services to professionals who are your friends who will leave testimonials, because you need to have proof if you want to show value. People aren't just going to spend thousands of dollars with you without some credibility, some information. So if you provide free value and set them up for success, most likely than not, that person is going to come to you when they scale or when they've come up from when they were at 0 to now to the next level. It's the Alex Hormozi model. I'll give you everything for free. Once you're a $3 million business, I'll teach you how to get to $30 million. That's how life works. If you haven't joined a mastermind, join a mastermind. Find a tribe of like-minded people. But as you build your brand, as you build your business, make sure you automate it and use AI and all these AI platforms as much as you can. If you want the top 5 AI platforms, check out my video on the top AI platforms I use almost every day. I hope you guys gain value. Thank you for watching. I believe in you, and I'll see you in the next one.